Hi there! Today I received this 4-inch TFT display and of course I immediately wanted to connect it to my Arduino Mega and see what I could build with it. Instead of creating only a simple display test, I decided to turn the Arduino into a small retro gaming device. I prepared firmware containing 7 games: Snake, Tetris, Breakout, Retro Racing, 2048 game, Sokoban and Lunar Lander. I also connected a joystick so the games can be controlled without using a computer keyboard. After wiring everything together and uploading the firmware, the result worked surprisingly well. As you can see, the Arduino Mega is capable of running a complete menu system, reading the joystick, updating the display and handling all the game logic. Naturally, it cannot compete with modern gaming hardware, of course, but that is not really the point. The interesting part is building the entire device yourself and understanding how everything works. I'm not actually a big fan of video games today, but I loved playing games like this when I was a child. If someone had told me back then that one day I would be able to build my own handheld gaming device, I probably would not have believed them. The complete source code is available on GitHub and you can find the link in the video description. You are free to download it, experiment with it, modify the games or use it as a starting point for your own retro gaming project. If you enjoyed this project, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.
All this time I've been holding on so tight, 'cause all that I do was easy to use. So cold